In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an announcement banner in Google Sites. This can be a fantastic way to draw attention to important updates or messages for your website visitors. It's straightforward and only takes a few minutes, making it perfect for keeping everyone informed and engaged. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open your site where you want the announcement banner to appear. Once you've opened your site, head to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find 3 vertical dots. This is your options menu. Clicking this will reveal a drop down with several functions related to your site settings and adjustments. Once you see that list, what you're looking for is the announcement banner option, so go ahead and click on it. With the announcement banner settings screen open, you'll notice there's an option labeled Show Banner. You'll want to click on this toggle to enable or display the banner on your site, making sure that it appears at the top where visitors can easily see it. This step is crucial because if the banner isn't activated, no one will see all the hard work you're about to put in. Next, let's bring some personality to your banner by editing the color. This is a simple yet effective way to ensure your announcement stands out. You can pick a color that matches your overall site theme or one that really captures attention. Just click on the color field to explore the color picker tool and choose your desired shade. Once you've got the visual aspect sorted out, it's time to type your announcement message. This is the main text that will be displayed on your banner, so make sure it's clear and concise, delivering exactly the message you want your site visitors to know. Whether it's a new product launch, an event reminder, or any other kind of notification, the message should be brief and direct. Now let's move on to the button label. Your announcement can be even more interactive by including a button. This is especially useful if you want to redirect visitors to another page, such as a registration form or a detailed article. Edit the button label to something that will entice your visitors to click, like Learn More or Sign Up Now. Finally, if there's a specific link you want your visitors to check out, you can add it by inserting a URL into the designated field. This will ensure that anyone who clicks on the button is taken straight to the link you've provided. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll effectively set up an engaging announcement banner on your Google site to keep your audience informed and involved. Remember to use this feature wisely to maintain clear and open communication with your site visitors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your newly set up banner serves you well.